Progress is better than perfection. Slowly but surely, first of all, you will have to start speaking with broken English. Later, you will be fluent and you will get success not immediately but definitely. Hello, my dear learners. Namaskar and welcome to this channel. I am Rakesh. As you all know that in this channel I have started the series Broken and Spoken English Speaking Practice for beginners to improve speaking skills in form of spoken as well as written. That is to complete learning English language. Of course, all of you can watch these videos to improve your communication skills. So guys, let's move on today's topic. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the broken English. As you know, I have started that series Broken and Spoken English Speaking Practice, especially today I will discuss the word broken, that is broken English. Guys, you want to be a good speaker with fluency, first of all you have to start a speaking skill with broken English. And don't be a perfect man while speaking in English. It means without perfection you start speaking with broken English. Whether you are speaking English correctly or incorrectly, just you start speaking without considering wrong or right. So this is what I want to say, and this is I want to tell you about your learning English language. As you all know that progress is better than perfection. So guys, you don't go to perfection, don't be perfect, don't try to be a perfect speaker. You just start speaking with broken English. Initially, you will have to start. What I am taking about in this time. So guys, in this statement, that is progress means will think and speak in English. That is the first step of progress. First of all, you will have to open your mouth and start speaking, express and speak in English whatever comes in your mind, and you have the courage to try to speak in English. This is the progress, and this should be the first step to learning English language. Yes, this is the first step we'll have to do. This is the best way to learn and improve English language and communication skills. So guys, this is the starting point to learning English language. To take first step for people is so difficult, but it is essential for those people who want to be a good speaker and communicator, and those people who are not from English medium, that is English background, as well as their second language, that is English. So guys, I finally I want to say that you will have to start a small simple step for learning English language, and have a patience. Keep doing it regularly every single day. Of course, you will win and you will get success, not immediately but definitely. So this is all about the today's topic, that is broken English, learning, growing